Hello friends, so today I'm reviewing an app which claims to increase your YouTube subscribers and increase the likes in the video and increase the likes in Facebook and followers on Twitter. So let's begin how the app works. Just go to Play Store and search for Social Fan. As I've already downloaded it, I'll open it and you have to click on Earn Points, click on YouTube, and after clicking on Earn Points you have to I clicked on like. So now you have to click on subscribe, then earn points, then click on subscribe, and make sure you press the close icon at the top right, uh, because like if you go back through the buttons you won't get any points. So you have to get minimum 400 points to redeem the subscribe. So I'll make it really quick. So now I have 415 points. Now what I have to do is just click on the three lines at the top left and click on promote, add new, and click on YouTube, and you have to press your YouTube URL, your channel URL, that I'll show you how you get it. So now you have to go back to YouTube, and click on click on your profile, click on my channel, and just click on the three dots at the right and click on share and click on copy URL, and this is how you have to press your URL here and click on save. So I've already added it. So I've already added one of my account, so it won't work like this. So I have already added, so I'll click on my list and I'll click on promote, and so I click on 400 as I have 415 points. Your order is successful. So if you don't want to waste the time, you can click buy, and for $0.99, which is around 769 rupees, you can buy a 1400 VIP points and you can redeem it, or you can buy the pro membership for $1.99 for 7 days. So normally it takes around 4 to 5 hours to get the subscribers. But sometimes even at 1 or 2 hours you might get the subscribers. Depends on the people, how many people uses the app. So we'll just wait for it. And now the time is 10:37 p.m. IST. So we'll wait for it. I've got the subscribers. So here it is, guys. You have got the 10 subscribers. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, give a thumbs up, and hit the bell, and even share it. Thank you guys for seeing the video. But guys, I don't recommend to use those third party apps to increase the followers and likes, because I think every person has the talent to get his own subscribers. So work hard and try your best.